unlocking the meaning of not worth a red cent. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might come across in books, movies, or conversations. Not worth a red cent. This expression is rich in history and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your comprehension of the English language. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase truly signifies. Not worth a red cent is an idiomatic expression used to describe something that is of very little or no value. The phrase emphasizes that the item or subject in question is so worthless that it's not even worth the smallest unit of currency. But why a red cent? This part of the phrase gives us a hint about its origins and the color once associated with the lowest denomination of coins. The term red cent refers to the American penny, which, in the past, was made from copper, giving it a reddish color. Historically, a cent was a significant amount of money, but as the value of money changed, the expression began to symbolize something of negligible value. The phrase captures a moment in time when even the smallest piece of currency represented something substantial, contrasting sharply with the current situation it describes. To incorporate "not worth a red cent" into your vocabulary, here are a few examples. I wouldn't pay attention to that rumor. It's not worth a red cent. He offered to sell me his old car, but honestly, it's not worth a red cent. All these promises made by the politician turned out to be not worth a red cent. Using this expression can add a colorful and historical nuance to your speech or writing, illustrating a deep understanding of English idioms. We hope this exploration of the phrase, "not worth a red cent," has been enlightening and adds value to your English language skills. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this one are a window into the culture and history of the language, enriching your understanding and usage. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content in the future. Happy learning!